Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel. From today, we are going to start practicing RHCSA, RHCE exam questions with answer practically. Today's question, how to set the default target to boot into X window level, graphical target. Type RHT VMCTL View Desktop to start desktop VM. Now log with root user. Type this command to check present default target. Now type this command to set X window or graphical target as default target. Check again. Yes, graphical is now our default target. Now reboot the system to confirm. Okay, done. We are successfully logged in with graphical target. Now I am going to show at your home how to set your system as a non-graphical mode. But before that, this text size need to large. Okay, switch to root user. Check default target. Now type this command to set the non-graphical mode on your system to practice today's question. Check again default target. Done. Now reboot your system. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.